Hi guys, I am Wilson. I want to share some interesting details about some leader. My leader is one of the best leader I think. If you know that person, if you know the social media activities, you have interested the social media activities, you're able to provide some information about this person. He's a great leader, he's a very successful person, he's a kindful person, and then he also have a top achievements for in our life, lot of pains for in our life, and he is spends a lot of time to work the success, and now he have a great level reaching, he is reaching a top level. I'm impressed that person. If you watch till the end that person's lifestyle, it should be motivate you on, and it should be help to in your future. My videos focus on a Jamie Diamond. He's right now he's one of the best businessman, best CEO in the world in 2002 centuries. He's come to the top rank. Uh, I don't know how the efforts would be happening. I think he's a lot of um, like insecure feelings, insecure emotionals. He should be handling a lot of issues. Yeah, all of have a lot of issues to handle someone of positions. He is the best leader. I think his lifestyle is should be help to motivate yourself. It should be help to in your future. So my video is a short term video. Even also it should be help to in your future ideas. The success opinions is should be helpful to have lot of ideas for your thoughts. Okay, it should be change you something. Okay, yeah. He is run a JP Morgan Cash company. This company have four biggest banks. Uh, his salary is a quite interesting salary. I am wow, it's a story really amazing. And then his achievements also quite interesting. His studies, educations, yeah, it's a lot. He's a very intelligent man, quite interesting. A lot of things would be studying in our lifestyles. Her education started in Roxford Latin School, and he completed her PhD in Trinity College in Cambridge. Yeah, and then he have a lot of awards. And his awards, I don't know what kind of awards they have, but I should be such this person. These awards are quite interesting, and some kind of funny awards also he have to give. And that's awards are yeah. His awards MacArthur Genius Grant in 1985, and then Pi Beta Kappa Award in Science in 1997. Jamie Dimon is an American billionaire. He is a chairman of and executive officer of CEO in JP Morgan Cash, the largest of big four American banks since 2005, and was a previous on a board. I'm already told that. And then director of the Federal Reserve Banks of New York, and then diamonds included in 2011 list of the world's 100 most influential peoples. And then diamond net worth is estimated at billion US dollars. So this is a summary of this person. And then right now his salary is really he have a lot of huge amount of salary per day. He have 89 lakhs 30,544 uh, dot 11 rupees paisa for daily amount, and then weekly 4 crores 46 lakhs 52,920, and then per monthly 19 crores 34,950, sorry, 34 lakhs 950,989 rupees. And then her annual income, you have any other idea, guys? Just guess that person annual income. Okay, it's quite difficult to say. Just okay, her annual income is 232 crores 19 lakhs 51,868 rupees. What a huge amount of money. Yeah, guys, is these four her achievements is the money should be gaining. This all success is happening for her own self. the issues should be happening one day. I want to share this one incident. Yeah, I think he should be go to the cash company. He was spend with time with that bank after he completed her college, Harvard University College to complete and BB Technical College and complete her PhD. After that, he should be go to uh, the job. So he join a bank. Um, the bank have sometimes some issues should be happening in our lives, right? So the same things is to happen in her life. Some kind of issues. He is they are treating like something cowards are there. So indirect conversations should be happening so that outside, so they should be speaking with that person. He is really hated. Okay, after that section should be happening. JP Morgan Cash Company CEO, the first journey should be begin. um, he started with the Citigroup company. He's a president of there, and then the position should be the new position should be not a long time. The workers should be happening to some kind of issues should be happening in our lives. It's happening again and again. So he should be leave that job, and then he tell the revenge word for that workers. The word is, "I never ever work for you, else guy." So he is a true that words. He is a quite attitude person. So that's the reason I think he told him that actually that person should be the word come true one time, and the time should be happening. He should be take the revenge of that person. The 2000, I think 2000, he started her business in JP Morgan Cash Company, and then he that time he is a position of a CEO for this company. Oh, the matter should be spread social media activities. Some kind of person should be make some kind of interview. So he should be quite a famous for that time. So that should be happening. He is take a revenge for that person. He tell this word, the same words again. All the workers should be amazing for that person. He is a best revenge for that time. He's only a great incident for that person. The incident should be happening after the few days after he should some kind of issues should be happening. That time no one can handle that person's idea. The person ideas is he's a very knowledgeable person. His studies and his knowledge are really he have a lot of knowledge. So this only one person handle that kind of situation. Though that company should be trust him. So he should be lot of effort to work that company to build up some kind of things to happening. So he all solve the problems. He's the only person handle that problem. So after that he should be able to solve the problem. The company workers and then other managers should be trust him a lot, and then the company should be step by step he are gaining a top level in now 2021. He's right now he's a top level businessman. He's a top level company, the four big company in the world. He's a huge deal for him. So this is the way of her life. The success is a quite difficult one. Everyone can trust to a lot of purpose, but sometimes the trust will be broken for any other black ships. Yeah. So this is an instance should be happening in JP Morgan life. Oh, this is an instant that should be the same thing happening in any other person's life. If you are willing to like this person, I think the person's lifestyle is quite compared to all of the people's. After that section, Jamie Dimon should be able to achieve our success. So I think their success should be happening for our self-confident. That's why I am choose this guy. Self-confidence is the best important thing for a single person. How self-confident with yourself is you are achieved to any other achievements you should be able to easily achieve that thing. You have any issues should be happening, you should be able to handle in your mind, handle in your body. So your body, you are mentally and physically you are able to you have easily handled that kind of things. Yeah. So success is a very important. If you want to have a success definition, I think my opinion is success is have no definition. If you're able to achieve in your life, how the way you should be traveling in your life, how the incidents should be happening, how the failures you should be happening, these things are combined to become a definition for this success. So success actually have no definitions. Success is become a definition. Okay, so that's the same thing happening for all successes. You see one thing, any different, okay, any other leaders, any other achievers, any other successors have a different opinion for our success. Yeah. So I say there are travel in our life. They give some opinion for a future generation. That's the reason there are gives some success opinions. So you have a unique capability. You have a unique character. If you're able to achieve in your life, just move on. Just confident about yourself. That confidence should be build up you more. That should be help to in your future. So that's the thing I want to share with you guys. The JB Morgan Cash Company CEO Jamie Dimon, the same thing to do with in our life. He have a lot of issues. The company workers or other they are not like him, but he want to move on a next company, and after that he take the revenge and then prove that who he see, and after that he should be realize the talent and the way of her works, and then after that he should be realized that how there are actually who is she. So that the thing should be happening in your life too. Someone can teach me, someone can treat me like a coward, just take a revenge. The opportunity should become prove that who you are. That's the thing should be happening in my video. I think this video should be helpful for in your future activities, future success. By the way, thank you for the opportunity, guys. My videos, I think I'm saying in a starting section, yeah, it should be helpful in your future. It should be helpful in your success.